Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Vicky here, and today we are heading out for a ride from Ajay Nagar to Belgharia and right through the heart of Kolkata. It's going to be a smooth mix of traffic, local culture, tea shops, and pure riding joy. So grab a coffee and hit that like button and ride along with me. Let's go. So it's Sunday in the morning and we are heading towards Belgharia. It's another Sunday ride and another signal. We have to wait here for a few seconds and we are good to go. We are crossing now Obishikta and in my right hand side you can see the KTM RC 390 looks stunning good and it's another signal. We have to wait here because we don't want to break the signal. So we are on the EM bypass road of Kolkata and in my left hand side you can see the Science City and the Ma flyover. Oh, there's a Jaguar. Leaving Science City now, one of my favorite places in South Kolkata. Early morning rides feel so special and you get that soft sunrise hitting the road, less traffic, it's golden hours for the bikers. But here is another signal. When you cross Science City and heading towards Belgharia, you can feel the luxury side of Kolkata because of these buildings. On my left hand side, you can see the ITC Royal and JW Marriott. These two hotels are truly amazing. If you can afford it, just go out there. And one day, I will go, and but not for sure. As of now, we don't have any plan and we don't have any budget to fit in. So let's go towards Belgharia Expressway. What a road, man, what a road. We are paying taxes for this kind of road. This is the government of West Bengal. No words for this kind of road. Oh, P, what a jerky road, man. I don't want this type of roads, but here is the truth of West Bengal government. This is the road condition of airport today as of now, but we have to wait here because we have to find the best route because I don't know the route actually. We have to find it out and then I will go there.
কি নিমতলা ওটা কি নিম তুমি ভুলে গেছো এটা তো এয়ারপোর্টের রাস্তা চলে গেছে
After 5 minutes of discussion, we found the best route for Belgharia Expressway and now we are heading towards Damdam Airport and then we have to take the left for Belgharia Expressway.
আরে দাঁড়াচ্ছি তুই ভয় পেয়েছ কেন দাঁড়া যাচ্ছি
So, as we move north, you feel the change, narrow roads, older buildings, that vintage Kolkata charm kicks in. And we are passing through places that have not changed in decades, and that's the beauty of it, I think so. And alright, it's time to stretch a bit. The ride is so far and amazing, clear sky, decent roads, and the city vibes we all love. So, thanks for riding along, and guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, drop a like and comment down below where should I ride next, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. This is Vicky signing off for
Only
today. Many more roads are ahead. Till then, ride safe, live free.